Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this helpful. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience using Odoo's website builder, so let's dive in. Odoo, found at odoo.com/page/website-builder, offers a comprehensive website building platform. Their drag-and-drop interface simplifies the process, allowing users to create visually appealing websites without needing advanced coding skills. You can easily add and arrange various elements, from text blocks and images to more complex features like contact forms and product catalogs. A key strength of Odoo's website builder lies in its integration with their other business applications. This seamless connection allows businesses to manage their online presence, sales, CRM, and other operational aspects all within a unified system. This streamlines workflows and improves overall efficiency, creating a centralized hub for all business activities. Imagine updating your product inventory and having those changes automatically reflected on your website. That's the power of Odoo's integrated approach. Beyond the basics, Odoo provides a range of features designed to enhance website functionality and performance. SEO tools help optimize your site for search engines, increasing visibility and driving organic traffic. E-commerce features enable businesses to sell products directly online, complete with shopping carts, payment gateways, and order management. Furthermore, the platform supports blogging capabilities, allowing you to create and share engaging content to connect with your audience and build a strong online community. For those seeking more advanced customization options, Odoo's website builder allows for custom code integration. This gives developers the flexibility to tailor the platform to specific needs and create unique website experiences. Whether you're a small business just starting out or a larger enterprise seeking a robust solution, Odoo offers a scalable platform that can grow alongside your business needs. From initial design and development to ongoing maintenance and optimization, Odoo provides the tools and resources necessary to create and manage a successful online presence. Their intuitive interface and comprehensive feature set empower businesses to take control of their digital journey and achieve their online goals. Be sure to check out the link in the description and explore Odoo's website builder for yourself.